Hello guys, it's me Johannes. I'm talking about today of the results of the Fed. So when I saw yesterday the conference of John Powell, I thought that he talked a lot of stuff what doesn't really matter. There are points where I think he's right and a few parts where he is wrong. So when he say that they want to reach the aim of 2% in inflation, sounds okay, but if you get inflation, it could be that you can't stop the inflation after all, because what they are doing is putting more money in the market, and finally when they are putting more money in the market, they are raising the inflation. So what they are doing is exact the opposite by reducing the inflation. And of course they are trying to get inflation to 2%. Seems to be a good way to put more money in the market, but in the way they doing it, I'm not agree with it, because they are putting too much money inside the market. So at the moment the money is staying inside the bank accounts of big banks and stuff like this, so it don't runs around the circle of daily life care and stuff like this. But in the future the money will come back to the main markets, and then we'll have a rising price problem. So the prices of everything will rise very fast, and then we have a hyperinflation. So I think the two aim inflation is maybe a good thing, but it's not the best thing. And then there's another thing what they are talking about. John Powell said that he see no bubbles, that he don't see any problems with the market, no over buying or stuff like this. Bueno, I think there is a little bit of over shopping in the market. The people are buying too much stocks. They are just investing 100% of their money, and even I investing my money at the moment very much. I have only like 10-15% of cash. So there was time I had more, but nowadays I'm sure we are continuing rising. Of course we had the last 1 month a small dip because of the scares of inflation, but as I see the market, they are scared that the banks rising their inflation prices, they rising their percents. So that's not what's gonna happen, because when they have doing this, they are having such a huge international problem that the market can't handle this problem. So from now on, I think they won't rise the prices, and till they don't rise the prices, the market goes up. And even tech is also a good investment, because this is every time the way where the money goes at the moment. Of course I'm young, and I know that millennials who had the tech investment and the tech bubble in 2000, and it explodes because everyone said tech is the new future, and it was, because tech is the future. But you don't need to follow every little thing what people say that this is the next rocket. Don't make stock picking by just a story. Don't make stock picking by a trend following of other guys like GameStop, where you see that there's nothing behind. Just some people told you this is a good stock, and then everyone runs inside it without seeing the numbers, without hearing the correct things about the companies. Don't run with blind eyes. Make your job, do your homework, and see the numbers of the companies. See if they have a huge of credits, if they have a healthy business or stuff like this. Of course the tech market is thinking about the money of the future, if like water or electricity cars or stuff like this, they're thinking about like in the future they make money, maybe, but at the moment, why don't you stick with the technology stocks what we already have and what are worth it? If you're going with Samsung, if you're going with Infineon or Chips or other companies who are working in the business of internet or in technology business, then you have more sure for a lower risk to lose your money if you are putting your money inside just an idea of a company. And that's what I think is the problem at the moment. There are so many people who are following things what other people told them, and they are running inside a knife. They don't see the problems. So that maybe cause a small market who goes down, and after this it will rise again, because the intelligent people who see this as an opportunity to go inside the stocks again are going to pay the price, even if it is lower than the last all-time high. As I did in the last weeks, I put a lot of money in tech inside, because I think that an Amazon and Microsoft and Alphabet and stuff like this now underperforming of the price what they had in the past, because they are going to rise the new highs again. They are going to make more higher highs than they had in the past, and that's what I think is a good opportunity to start again inside the market. When I told you the names of stocks or stuff like this, it's not to give you an opportunity to say buy this. It's just my own mind option. So make your homework, don't buy everything blindfold, and think about what could be happen in the future. I think if they rise the prices of credits and tax, stuff like this, then we have a little bit of problem. But till this point don't reach, we don't have a problem in the market, and you can continuing buying stocks and have fun with it. So that's all. Leave your comment below and I will see what is your opinion about this, and have a great day. Leave an abo, because I want to reach 1000 abos, and thank you very much. Goodbye.